Frustrated by the libpcre-1 library DLL error causing PCRE to hang? I'm Sophie Chen, a senior Windows support engineer. I'll help you resync those external dependencies today. As we prepare the manual solution for libpcre-1 library, feel free to use the suggested utility for comprehensive system maintenance. This is the libpcre-1 library, the Perl Compatible Regular Expressions, PCRE library, v1. It manages localized high-speed, localized pattern matching, and localized text parsing for localized cross-platform applications and web servers. Mandatory for localized Nginx and Apache ports on Windows. Let's transition to the solution, starting with the official Microsoft redistributable. The libpcre-1 library DLL library is a specialized asset belonging to the PCRE environment, and you must reinstall the host program that is displaying the error to ensure all internal dependencies are properly synchronized. If a standard reinstallation doesn't restore the library, we need to verify if the system environment is properly recognizing the new components. A simple restart can resolve file-in-use errors that mimic a missing libpcre-1 library message. It's a low-effort step that ensures your operating system starts with a clean execution stack. Don't forget to bookmark the video or give it a like before you restart. It's the fastest way to jump right back into this tutorial after the reboot. If the previous steps didn't work, there's one more action we can take to stabilize the environment. Please pause the video if you need to back up your data before we proceed. A restart won't fix broken performance counters, so we'll use step 3 to force a rebuild of those links. First, open command prompt as admin. Second, you're going to type locktr/r, then hit enter. Why are we doing this? Well, performance counters often fail due to registry hive inconsistencies. By wiping and rebuilding these entries, we ensure the system can properly recognize and load the diagnostic library again. Let's look at a key safety rule that will keep your PC protected while we address this error. A quick warning, many sites offering libpcre-1 library DLL are actually distributing modified files that can track your keystrokes and compromise your passwords. For a comprehensive approach to system health, I recommend incorporating a verified maintenance protocol into your routine. If you're addressing libpcre-1 library inconsistencies, the official utility below provides maintenance-related documentation. To ensure you always have a professional diagnostic path for libpcre-1 library or system errors, hit the subscribe button and keep this channel in your toolkit.